Even when you master the handstand against wall, you still may be scared to try it without any support. And what's the thing that you are scared the most? It's not that your elbows will do 180 in the handstand, you are scared of falling over you. And that's the thing you should learn before even try to hold in it. The safest thing you can do if you are falling is to twist your body like this. Don't drop into bridge or doing the roll thing. Learn this and you will never be scared of doing the handstand without any support. When you feel that you are falling over you, you will quickly start twisting your body. Then let go with one arm. If you want, the second arm can stay until you drop on the ground.
Okay.
So this was the falling technique you should learn and use. Now I'm gonna show 3 ways how to enter the handstand, 3 types of kick-ups to be more specific. And there is one type of kick-up that I didn't show, and that's doing kick-up into split. I don't know who invented this type, but don't do it please. Don't learn this type. It will slow down overall your handstand game because you will always have to wait until you catch your balance.
2,000 years later.
Please don't do it. The only people who do it like this are girls and Greggies. So please, I beg you. Even when kick-up is the easiest way how to get into handstand, you can't use it everywhere. For example, here on P-bars you can, but I don't know why would you do it. Because here, or even on a high bar, you will rather use the press into handstand. It's faster and you can control it. If you don't know how to press into handstand, you can watch my tutorial on it. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. I would be so happy if you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my new videos. And be ready because on Friday will come out a new video and it's gonna be... I have no words for that, but be ready for that.